Hello, people. I am still working in a little project. This project is for management files. Can save, can make signatures in PDF with DocuSigns and all kind of stuff. I am working in this moment with .NET Core, Blazor Assembly, SQL, Azure. And how you can see, this is a clean architecture. This look at right here. But let's go to see the project, right? This Blazor with just Bootstrap, just a little of CSS where I did it for myself. Let's go to see, for example, I am working in this moment in this part. DocuSign, no, eDocStudies. eDocStudies. Here, let me see. Let's go to play. Let's go to play the project. I wanted to try to make really short this video because I wanted to share through LinkedIn, but let's go to see. We are ready. It's so really slow my computer because I'm reading the OBS and at the same time the project. Let's go to see. I'm going to the studies. When I am in studies, I can select over here the eDoc category. Look at this. This is just CSS, Bootstrap, okay? And when you can over here, you can pass through the mouse over each subcategory, and in that moment appears the buttons. And that's why, because I don't want to put in all the time the buttons are nice, because I don't know, it's something visually so I don't know, ugly. I think so. Okay, and when you select, look in this panel, the right panel, you can see it's nothing appears over here. But when I select one of the subcategories, he's going to show everything over here. What is the idea? I am still working in that part. Is when you press the subcategory, he's going to the backend and looking for if have the files, and if have files, he coming bring it to here and show it to the user. Okay, and then you can say go to sign, make a signature for this document, or just load another document or something like that. Well, this is it. 0.